guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shriya. Today I'm gonna say about coronavirus. Coronavirus disease is also known as or called as COVID-19. Coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infection disease caused by an unusual discovery coronavirus. Most people who fall sick with COVID-19 will be caused by an unusual discovery coronavirus. Next, how it spreads. You already know that how it spreads. See, a virus that is a virus like a COVID-19 is a virus that which may get us some illness and like cough, sneeze and inhale problems, breathing problems. You already know that. Okay, various disease that caused COVID-19 is mainly treatmented through droplets gently like see, if there is an infection COVID infected person, if someone stands here, if the we don't get that he is an infected people, then we go near to him and we directly speak to him, but suddenly he sneeze and all of the droplets will come to us when we inhale ourselves. Means then we will be even infected with COVID-19 or coronavirus. See, you already know that now what are the healthy information about COVID-19. See, there are 3 healthy informations. Some of the main of COVID-19, those are symptoms, prevention and treatments. See, symptoms means COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Not infected people will develop themselves or mild to moderate themselves like illness and recover with hospitalization. You already know that some of the people will be hospitalized and some of the people will may cause with deaths and some of the people will recover in the home quarantine. Most common symptoms means the common symptoms which we get by the COVID-19. There are 3 common symptoms when we get the COVID-19 or coronavirus. That is, first one fever, second one dry cough, and then third one tiredness. All of these 3 things are most common, and the less common symptoms means sore throat and headache and loss of taste or smell and rashes on skin. You already know that what are the rashes. The rashes will become always normally, but when we get the COVID-19 or coronavirus, it will get the very itchy-full rashes. If we apply even the body lotion, it doesn't avoid from us. Okay. Next, if we come to the treatments, in the treatments there are 2 types: self-care and medical treatment. Self-care means what? Self-care means taking ourselves care by staying ourselves at home and taking the treatments by ourselves, like taking the tablets. First step, if we get illness, taking the tablet that is called Dolo 650 paracetamol, and second one, if at the second day, if it's not low, the fever, it will not become low, then second day we have to consult doctor and take a checkup of COVID-19, and if it's positive, stay home, not to speak with any of the persons, and stay avoided from your kids. See, in a family, if there are 6 to 8 members, it may cost to 6 members. Yeah, it may cost to all 8 members. Yeah, only 2 members. That's not the problem. See, if the two members are what suffering from the COVID-19, then all of the 6 members they have to what they have to help for them, and they have to develop them by saying them that you must take care like that. And you have to even check, all of the 6 members should even check that they have the positive or negative. And we have to be very stiff and strong. So then you think that I may not get the corona, and you think that I have a power to avoid coronavirus from me. But if you think that it doesn't go, we have to protect ourselves by wearing mask, sanitize, and using the Dettol to wash hands often before you eat foods. See, if you got the medical treatments, means what we call medical treatments, if we get hospitalized and we get the treatments, this is called as medical treatments. Now, prevention. What is prevention mean? Protect yourself from the all of this virus. And see, I say that plant trees, plants like this. I say that plant only this much. I don't say that. You plant 2 to 3. I say that you plant 2 to 3. Not more than. We have to use oximeter, which we keep for the fingers to test the oxygen, and we have to use like this. We have to use this one. Temperature checker, what we call thermometer, I think. Yeah, thermometer. Yeah, that makes us that guesses all of our body temperature, and we can easily get that. If we have positive, we can easily get that. But you must check that weekly once. Now we must use to prevent ourselves from the COVID-19. Whenever you go on the roads, you must just use mask, sanitize, and after you come, you must see, first when you are going, you must use the mask and sanitize, and you can go now. And if you come again, then even you must get the sanitize and go into your house. Then wash your hands with the Dettol. And after, you can touch anything. You can eat, you can enjoy yourself. This makes us healthy and avoid the COVID-19 from us. And if we come to one point, this is the main point. Just we must not fight with the patient who are having the COVID-19. We must fight with this virus. I say that you just help the patient. I say you don't think that I'm saying that you must help the patient by speaking. Not like that. You just cooperate or support to the doctors or some of the police who are making us not to go outside. You must respect them and maintain social distance. If it's not possible to maintain social distance, you just try to wear the mask. But if it's not possible, you try that. If all the people are making the crowd, let them all take and go their things, and after you can go easily and buy it. But if I go to some of the vegetable shops like that, I just wear the mask, and if they are there, I'll be standing in the social distance, 6 feet social distance, and then I ask them to give me that, and I'll just bring that and just spray on the plastic bags, because the plastic bags will be what contained the will be attacked easily from the COVID-19. See, and by planting these trees, plants, this may I told you this. See, now I can breathe easily. That guesses me that I'm not having the COVID-19, but that's not like that. Some people may get tiredness, some people may get headaches, but it affects in a different way for each person. So, cooperate the doctors and police, and I say that support all the COVID patients, because see, if the COVID patients are in the hospitals, they are suffering from the oxygen. What oxygen cylinders, by not getting the oxygen cylinders, beds, but they will be on the roads, they will be laying. I get very sad, but in the first layer of COVID-19, we even supported all the COVID patients, but now it's not possible because we are also not going out from our home. So when there was a first layer, all of our area members supported the COVID patients by giving them foods like fruits, healthy foods, and they recovered easily and they were possible to go to their homes. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you. See you in my next video. If you are first on watching my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Shriya KN. Bye.